This is Tom Parker, and I'm the Director of Investor Relations at the Upside Avenue REIT. I'd like to welcome you to our educational video series entitled REIT Investing 101. Today we're going to be talking about how a REIT works. So a REIT, or Real Estate Investment Trust, basically acts like a fund in which investors can buy shares. Those shares are then used to invest in different types of real estate. There are many different kinds of REITs. There's industrial REITs, retail REITs, and commercial REITs. So historically, real estate is actually a very expensive product to buy. So what a REIT allows you to do is actually acquire shares that are invested into multiple real estate deals at a much more cost-effective price, while not having to own the real estate, manage the real estate, or actually dispose of that real estate. If you would like to learn more about REITs, I recommend you visit our website at upsideavenue.com, or please subscribe to any of our social media channels by following Upside Avenue on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, or LinkedIn.